Hi there, it's Scott Chambers here for scott-chambers.com, and today's subject is list development. Okay, you've heard many times before that the money is in the list. Why is this the case? Why does everybody always go on about how important it is to have an opt-in mailing list at your disposal? Well, let's try to break things down for you here. If you have an opt-in mailing list, it means that the subscribers on that list have chosen to personally receive information and communication from you. Why is this important? Well, you can start mailing direct to them personally. It's the same as having an uninvited salesman knocking on your door as opposed to a regular friend arriving regularly at your house. The two are completely different, aren't they? When somebody signs up to your list, they expect you to keep in regular contact with them. If they sign up and don't hear anything from you for a month or two, don't expect then to all of a sudden send a mailing directly to them or arrive at their doorstep, so to speak, and for them to welcome you with open arms. As you would with a friend, you must keep regular and friendly contact. When you speak to your friends and relatives, you don't try to sell them things every time, do you? No, you chat, share a few stories, and then, maybe one time out of 10, you might mention something you've bought that you liked. You're more likely to take a recommendation from a friend like that than a random salesman at the door, aren't you? You should treat your list in the exact same manner. If all your subscribers get are offers, and very little else, they will soon get fed up from hearing from you and will either unsubscribe or completely ignore your mailing directly. So the most important thing you can do with your mailing list, even before building it, even before trying to make money from it, is to develop it. List development is quite simply the key to your long-term success.